Guys, today we have a higher 40-inch LED TV and I will show you how to open its secret service menu, factory settings. First of all, power on the TV. Factory menu is used for many settings like backlight, mirror setting. First of all, press menu, then 8893 from the remote. Menu plus 8893. You can see that a factory service menu will be opened. Here is a card number, mainboard number. Here you can do a factory reset and many other settings. Now in order to do a factory reset, scroll down to restore factory default. You can see that it is on the last and press OK here. Your LED TV will be restored to its factory setting. You can see that reset OK. Please restart the TV. Now we will power it off and on again. I will press the power key again from the remote. Our TV is restored to its factory settings. Please like and share the video. Thank you, friends.